All right. We're going to talk a little bit about these summer health myths that we have. All of the things where people used to say and your granny tell you and other people think it's true, but we don't know if it's actually true. We're going to bust some myths for you this morning. So, Nevs, what's the first one?
You can catch a cold from air conditioning.
What?
Now, this
from
particular
what?
From air conditioning.
Oh, I think it's an air conditioning.
No, this particular popular myth. You know, it's too early for you to give them conditional popular myth. My mouth already.
Him tongue tie up it too early.
So, it's been going around for ages, but it is a myth. While the air conditioning will not make you catch a cold, extreme changes in temperature can weaken your immune system, and if those around you have a cold, you could be more susceptible.
So in other words, then it's true, but them say it's not true.
No, the other thing that people say, like, if you don't go in the rain because you're going to catch a cold. Well, you would have catch a cold every time you bathe. The rain don't make nobody get sick.
No, but my mole now is wet.
No,
the rain is let me get
sick. My mole is not getting wet.
Explain. I am the MD here. Let me explain.
Me know why you
if you are having a little sniffles or something like that and you go in the rain, then fine. But if you're healthy and go in the rain, not a thing went wrong with you.
Let me tell you why what you're saying don't make sense.
I used to get sick.
Because and say, if I were bathing and my mole were getting wet, it would be a different thing. When I got into the rain, my mole are getting wet.
So your mole get wet when you bathe?
Cannot get sick
me no
from rainwater.
Which woman wet up them head every single time they bathe unless their head bald?
Probably Jody.
You're not listening to me, no. You cannot get sick from rainwater, which means you would get sick when you go into the pool. You would get sick when you go to the sea. You would get.
I know enough people go out in the rain and sick.
Because they did have something already. What is the next one?
All right, the next one says
you can't get
that's
sunburn. Any drink will rehydrate you on a hot day. Of course not.
Why not?
No, then if you're going to drink a sweet drink, I won't name it. That can rehydrate you.
Read it.
You must drink Lasco hydrate.
While a soft drink or ice cold beer may really feel like they're hitting the spot, they aren't doing the job you need them to do. It's a myth that any drink will rehydrate you. Drinks high in sugar or alcoholic beverages will actually further dehydrate you.
I heard that.
I know that one day. Coach always tell me.
What's number 3?
You can't get sunburn on a cloudy day.
Rubbish.
Like this.
Rubbish.
This is one myth that if believed can have harsh consequences. Them say even when the cloud them tick, them can't block out the UV
then
rays.
Then you could have got the sun get sunburn now?
Yeah, so but I don't think they're really talking to us.
Well, you can't get sunburn if the sun not out. But if
that's not true.
If it is hazy, no, I mean, in other words, the night and dark, you're not going to get sun. That's my point. But if it's hazy, you can.
But I don't think they were referring to us,
believe not what we said this morning.
No, you don't believe what you said.
The next one, butter soothes sunburn.
Where's that butter?
Butter
from the fridge.
So putting butter on a sunburn is certainly not going to soothe the pain. In fact, it may even make the pain worse or delay the healing process. Who would put butter on them skin?
Whole heap of people know do it. If them get burned, the first thing them do is rub butter on it.
But that's like y'all cook yourself.
Yeah, this says cook
maybe
yourself.
It depends on the butter.
Instead, apply aloe vera
the
gel.
next one is kind of grossish and nasty-ish.
A swim in the pool can replace a shower.
Which person do that?
I did
they
that
say
once.
This is especially important to keep in mind when using public pools where swimmers often do not shower before entering the water.
Do you know how much kuru into a pool?
I've done that
why
once.
Why
I've
you
done
need
that
to say
once.
that? It's breakfast time, you know. Hello.
Yeah, what do you just say? One, no, not ignore it.
Yeah, but
do same do that one
No,
time.
but it's breakfast
time.
They say public pools have a high level of chlorine, but there is still plenty of bacteria, so be sure to wash off once you're done swimming.
I threw yesterday Dwayne to the pool and him said, oh, pool, me not going to bathe, me just going to jump in and so
Dwayne, I knew I smelled something when I got here this
Swimming
morning.
on a full stomach will make you ill. Oh, okay, this one all the time. Him say, you just don't eat, wait 1 hour, not before. Usually they say after eating. That rule can be put to rest as far as we're concerned. No swimming on a full stomach will make you sick, but it can give you cramps. While cramps are not the end of the world, they can be uncomfortable. And this is because your stomach is full and not finished
In
digesting.
other words, don't go in the water because the belly still going to hurt you.
But that's what we call sick doing now. When your stomach cramps, that's what we call it sick.
So that's a good one.
Sakina, you look like a real chaser. In other words, don't go in the water.
Because belly will hurt you.
But that's all
That's all like she tells. It's all like she tells. Sammy Kitten said, don't
do that. Go into the water.
Whenever she do this.
Yeah, man. Tracer, man. Yes, man. What's the next one?
Dark-skinned people don't need SPF.
SPF would be what, please?
The something that's into the sunscreen that make the
sunblock
UV
thing.
rays don't go into your skin and penetrate it.
Oh, you don't know that I are brown skin people. You're supposed to know.
You're supposed
What
to
is
need enough
SPF?
My
SPF.
medical practices never reach S.
It says it's true that people with more pigment in their skin are much less likely to burn than those who are paler. But the truth is that everyone is at risk for skin cancer. So even though you might not get burned up, them say you still need to rub on like a sunblock.
Well, since you know so bright, what does SPF mean?
I don't know, but if you give me
It's
2
in a
minutes, I
sunblock.
can Google it.
Eh?
It's in the sunblock.
I never asked you where it is, you know, I asked you what it mean.
It's in the
I
sunblock.
don't know.
Oh, all right.
Something.
What's next, Dwayne?
If a bee stings you, if you get stung by a bee, do not scrape or suck the bee stinger.
I'd say you have to scrape or suck it out.
While you do have to remove the stinger, the notion that scraping or sucking it will help is a pure myth, and one that could make things even worse.
You guys
easily.
ever hear about that? Like sucking away a bee stick?
It's like with the
I've seen
if
them
you
do
get
it
bit
with
by a
snakes
snake.
in a movie,
Yeah,
but
but you
not
can't-
to
you're not
the
supposed to do
snake.
it.
Venom in there. So
You're
you have
not
to
to do it
remove
with a snake
No,
either.
because the venom will go into your.
But why would you swallow it?
You have to swallow it to go in
You
your mouth.
spit it out.
Yeah, but it's already in your mouth and traces
I
of
don't
the
believe
venom.
it. I think you should try it, Dwayne.
Same
Make
thing.
a snake bite you and then
And then
Hold on.
and no.
Well,
If somebody else have a suck
bee
it
sting
out.
or bee bite?
Bee sting.
Bite?
A wasp
You know
bite?
that be a
Wasp
bee?
bite.
What's
I
bite?
used to
What
think there was.
sting?
I used to think there was
Wasp
bite, you know.
bite.
What sting?
What sting?
Pump tune.
What's the
You know,
bite?
say me I work with some people who don't understand life.
This is the same
What's the
man who
bite?
still don't know what SPF mean and I come tell we say we
It
don't.
look like the light of company daily alone.
One more. We have one more.
Seawater helps heal wounds. So we're not sure how this myth got so popular when everyone knows putting salt on an open wound is nothing but painful. Not salt nor salt water will help heal your wounds. In the case
That
of
is not
seawater,
true.
you could make the wound worse because the bacteria living in seawater may penetrate open cuts and potentially cause infection.
Me
what
not
about-
believe that either. I think we should have cut Dwayne
Why?
and get some salt
Look
water.
here, Dwayne is
You know why?
Saturday morning
Hold on,
party
no,
now.
you know why? You know why? Because we had the room checks last night, and we got the room, and she never did it. So me I call her, and the bed never trouble.
I am totally in agreement. I knew they were coming to sponge on the things in my room, and I locked the door. And when
Right,
they
Mommy.
knock, I don't answer them.
Where were you?
I will not apologize, Sakina. Me hear them out there knock and me not answer them.
All
Mr.
right.
DJ, you remember that song you played for us, Mr. Stevie Wonder? It's about
Marvin
time.
and
It's birthday
Ian.
time.
Birthday times. Happy birthday to Daniel Harvey. Daniel, have a great day. Daniel is a young miss, and it's from your mom, Shana, your dad, Vaden, your auntie Tibby, and the rest of the family. Also, happy birthday. I think it's Tagira Onfroy. Tagira, happy birthday. It's coming from Terry and the kids. They love you like crazy. And we did say hail to Inspector Jared Constable Harris and the folks at Visual Vibes.
Oh. Nigel Atkinson, Neville's #1 fan, you know, is your wife. So she says, I'ma say, happy birthday to you.
Why you make
Never
Nigel
mind, you
not
look- Him don't say you. Him don't say you.
Nigel, I didn't even know your wife, yeah. But I heard it.
That's Sugar Bex now. Daddy Moore, happy birthday to you as well. Today's also Gramps Morgan birthday
Easy,
from Morgan
girl.
Heritage. Carolina
Second,
Madden,
second.
Monique Caesar, Terrence McPherson, Sheraton DaCosta, and Janice Blake.
It's place we can get that
Love
from.
birthday.
Kina?
Yeah, we check
That's
Facebook
so bad
most of the
mind,
time.
Dwayne. That's so bad
so
mind.
most of the one they were today is actually my sister's birthday. My sister who lives into England, but she's always watching
She
us.
have a name?
Her name is Sabrina.
Hey, Sabrina, happy birthday.
Sabrina, she married
Sabrina,
me.
you know where the Western Union nearest to you is. Send on some pounds,
I would
please.
love
Sabrina,
that.
and if you don't send it next year, we're not telling you happy birthday. So hurry up
Sabrina
and send
Kemba,
some
happy
money.
birthday, sis. I hope you have
She's a
great
younger
one.
sister or older?
Yeah, she's a younger sister. But however, she's the one woman married with children.
Oh, she's married?
Yeah,
Sabrina, you have plenty money, man. Your husband can put up a thing together.
Sabrina Deer, married to couple.
Happy birthday, folks. Have a great day today.
I don't know nobody in the birthday
Happy
today.
birthday.
Do we not know about?
No, Delia.
Hey.
Put your hand them. Oh my gosh.
Watch it. Watch it.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight